This video will make your day only if you can watch this video till end. If you're having an eyes problem or toothache or child egg, what I mean childbed egg, please come closer. I want you to go and get me this leaf. It's no other than Spondias mombin, or you can call it yellow mombin. In Igbo language, we are called it Ijikara. Ijikara leaf is one of the most powerful plants you can ever imagine in your entire life. This exposition, I know that many people doesn't know it, but our age parents know the benefit you can derive from this Spondias mombin resting. But before I continue, if this was a first time you across my post, I said welcome. Do well to share this video, like and comment so that our people out there will come across it. Remember, we are here to save lives. Let us go back to our main topic. If you are having an eyes problem, be it cataract, glaucoma, blurry vision, or your eyes always they scratch you, go and fetch me this Spondias mombin known as Ijikara leaf. Once you gather it as plenty you could, make sure that you wash it properly with a clean water. Then smash it, or if you have a clean blender, grind it on your grinder. Then add it a water, sift the juice. See the juice of this plant, you can see it. Once you sift the juice, how you can make use of it, then we are here to practicalize it. Take it to wash your eye. You can see it maybe in the morning time or in the evening time before you go to bed. Take it to wash your eye. Make sure that this juice, this liquid enter your eye, okay? If you can't do it like this, you can bring an eye drop and add the juice and drop it on your eye before you go to bed, okay? It will little pain you small, okay, but it will clear. By the time you continue to do this, I can assure you that your testimony will be on my comments. Then number 2, for those who are having toothache, you can't chew meat, you can't drink water, anything you put on your teeth is always pain you. Do the same thing I mentioned above. Then stir the juice. Then take the juice as you can see me doing it. You hold it on that surface, that area you having toothache. Then it's okay. Then number 3 is bed egg. The reason of what I mean by bed egg is if you have miscarriage or your wife having miscarriage, okay, make sure that you go and fetch this Ijikara leaf, Spondias mombin, or known as yellow mombin. Then once you fresh it as plenty you could, or you can get me as the stem or the root. Make sure that you wash it very well. Boil it. You can as well boil it, or you can as well smash it. Then let her start taking the juice of this plant, 1 glass tumbler, morning and evening. It will flush away everything that is not necessary in the stomach, most especially breathing. If your wife is having internal bleeding, maybe as a result of she having miscarriage, make sure that this will be the part of herbs she will do. As well, you can as well add it this thing nchume. There is this herbs Igbos are calling nchume. You add two of them together and boil it. She will start making use of it. It didn't stop there. Maybe as a man you have accidents, you notice that you have an internal bleeding. Then make sure that you partake on this. These are many more you can get from these herbs, and also it's good for head digestion. Remember that this Ijikara have powerful vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and many others. Thank you as you do well to watch. Please do well to send this video, because time will come when you may need of this. Then you can able to revisit the video. I am still the Maazi-UC. Thank you for being part of this episode. Bye for now.